Oh boy. Well, if you can see this video, that means the camera's working. If you can hear my voice, that means the microphone's working. So welcome to what should be a promising YouTube channel for his MotoVlogging. This is the first video for the Viking Biker. This is my 2016 Street Glide special. Let's go ahead and get it fired up, because I'll have to sit with the battery on. There we go. So you gotta warm up a little bit. But yeah, so I don't know how this is gonna work out, but we'll see. It's a nice day today. Well, it's 65 degrees out. Bike's nice and warmed up. Well, sort of warmed up. The bike, and we will see what the angle looks like, because I don't know what the angle could possibly look like right now. It's a little hot, that thing on. Let me open up 2 vents. I don't usually wear full face. I only wear it. I'm only going to be wearing it for when I'm doing these videos. So should be all right. Got some parishioners here at the local church. A little bit of wind noise inside the helmet. We got a vent open? I hope the front vent's not open. Man, you got a green light, dude. It's a great day for a ride. We won't be out too long, because you know it is Mother's Day. Gotta spend time with your mothers. But yeah, I'm hoping oh, that's gonna be a lot of wind noise in the helmet. What is up? I didn't realize this helmet had that much wind noise. I might have to. Woo! That's not good. Got all my vents closed. It's just the helmet. You get some wind in it. There's a vent or something still open, I think. Not that. And it just might be the helmet. It's just a windy bitch. That's what I don't normally wear full face helmets. I got my old full face out for this video, and I didn't realize how windy it could possibly be inside of it. So you know what I need to do? You might need to stop and put the dead cat on. Yeah. We'll see. Oh, yeah, so this I mean, it's just a nice little ride you do through the city today. You know, what the hell is going on with every people hollering? I don't know what that was all about. We'll do a nice ride, then we'll go do our errands. Wife will be like, where are you at? I'm like, baby, I'm sorry. I got caught up making a YouTube video. Or at least attempting to. Gotta watch out. People in this damn state don't know how to drive. There's a train hub. Yo, for future viewers, if you find yourself on my video and I tell you you can't drive, go get some driving lessons. Like if you see your car on a video, get that red light camera. Oh, I hope I didn't get my license. I hope I got through before it snapped. Woo! I guess I'll be looking in the mail for that one. Looking in the mail for that potential ticket. Let's see here. Sorry, sometimes I can't control myself when I get on this thing. I just gotta be careful. Today's Mother's Day. You gotta be careful. I'm gonna go down to the beach, but not making that drive today. That'll be for another video. So yeah, there's probably gonna be a little bit of wind noise in this one, but it's okay. We'll get it straight. This is just a test video. It might not even make it to YouTube. I don't know. Well, it depends if I can even hear myself, or if I'm too loud because of mic positioning, or this helmet is just like, oop. I haven't gone to the errand yet. I'm gonna get yelled at. Mrs. Viking's gonna be very unhappy. But when I actually go to do the errand, I'm gonna put the dead cat on, and then I'm gonna see the difference in the video, I guess. Because I probably should have put it on to begin with, but I think I have the wind setting just right, so we'll find out. We will know, or we won't know. One way we'll know. One way or another, we'll know for sure. Oh, I decided to close the shield for me. It's like, hey, you need to have your face shield down, sir. It's like, oh, I'm sorry. You know, people get so nervous when they see motorcycles just weaving around in their lane just like this, just a little bit. I mean, I'm not doing it crazy. I'm not going back and forth. But look, they all backed off next to me. There was like 4 cars next to me. Now they're all gone. Look at that. They didn't turn. They just like hit the brakes and backed. Ooh, roadkill. Hit the brakes and backed off. They're like, nah, bruh. I don't want no part of that guy. He don't know what he's doing. Yes, I actually do know what I'm doing. Big American flag. That's not even the biggest one in the area. The really big one is down the road a little ways. You can see that thing for a pretty good distance, like 3 streets down. Just because there's so many buildings around, but it's huge. But again, there's too many buildings. So we'll go down this way a little bit farther, then we'll make a kind of a U-ey. I want to kind of stop at this pretty cool location that's down here on the right side of the road. Just, you know, kind of can be my intermission point, because we gotta go back the other way, because we gotta go run this errand, because the wife is going to be calling me. She's like, look, honey, I know you're having fun on your bike, and I appreciate the fact that you want to have fun on your bike, but you know, today is Mother's Day, and these kids are driving me crazy. I need you home. That's exactly what she's going to call me and say. You wouldn't leave me on home with the kids on Mother's Day. You promised. I said, baby, I know. I promised to go outside and do this video yesterday, but you know what happened? I was tired. It happens. You get tired. I'm tired. I didn't get no sleep last night. I stayed up streaming on Twitch all night. But it's okay. Oh. Whew. Little. I had to open one of my vents in my helmet. My head's starting to get hot. Motherfucker looking at. My head's getting hot. Head's getting hot. Head's getting hot. I don't know what. Let's open one vent up. Get a little cool air on one side of the head. I'm not gonna be able to get to the cool place I wanted to stop at. So we're gonna make like a little intermission stop here. We'll put the dead cat on, see if that makes a difference. See why I have so much wind noise in my helmet. This is a pretty cool place though. It's Air Power Park, where they put all the defunct, a lot of the defunct airplanes of all that. It's pretty cool. Figured this would be a good spot to like pause the video and, you know, switch things up. We'll have to actually come down here and actually go through the actual park again. I want to do that. It's been years and years and years since I've been through here. So, you know, it's been a few years. Let me get my glasses off here. Turn that off. All right, so we're gonna get this. I don't like the strap system. My other helmet is so much nicer to take off. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, so let's we're gonna pause the video here, and we'll be back. We're windy. Is it running? Oh, I think it's working. It's fine. All right, so we got the microphone switched out. So we got it switched out and everything, so we should be good. We're still sitting at the Air Power Park, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna get this thing back on and we'll continue. We'll go ahead and do the errand. We gotta go do the errand I told the wife we do. We gotta go get the juice. We gotta go to the Walmart, and then we'll go back home. But yeah, just a nice little ride today, just to kind of test this out and see if I can even do a VOD fairly decently. So all the vents are shut on the helmet. Got the cat, the muff. Got the wind. We got the microphone muff on. You know, there's a lot of things in life that you should put fuzzy things by your face. It's definitely one of those times. I have this dead cat on this mic, and it's really fucking fluffy, and I'm like, oh, fluffy. It looks like a gray. It's like a tail off of a gray cat. That's what it looks like. That's why they call it dead cat, right? And it's just right inside my helmet right here. It's like, it's a little fluffy. It kind of tickles my nose hairs. No, he's not really anybody coming. He's good. The hot now sign was on, so he's good. Oh, I love that. I love the backfire on this thing. Oh, these pipes are so good. These are the Cobra Neighbor Haters, by the way. 4-inch outlets? Oh yeah, fucking awesome sounding. When it's warmed up. When it's cold, it doesn't. It's a little raspy when it's cold, but when they're warmed up, they sound good. They still got a little rasp to them. They're not deep. They're not a deep tone, but they do have a deeper tone to them sometimes. It's kind of hard to explain. That's the way it was explained to me when I got them. So I was like, you know what? The hell? Now people are beeping everywhere. Oh, what are they doing? Uh-oh. They're getting out of the car. What are they doing? Oh, that door open. Oh, yo. It's a chick with her dude on the back of the bike. All right. forgot I had the music on. Because the vape store and the Walmart are like literally right next to each other. So it's like, you know, I'm not firing up the video just to go from the Walmart to the vape store. So I turned on the music and listened to the music on the way. It was alright though. Alright, so we got a little bit of battery life left before I have to switch up batteries, but let's see if we can go get... We got done with the errands. Now it's time to go home. So... There we go, hit the brakes. Damn it. Oh, these glasses. These glasses get in the way. Alright, well, this is the way back to the house. The train yard. Well, it's a trail. It's a rail spike that goes down into the train yard, which is that direction. It's that way. That's the bridge over there with the river. We'll go across there another day. I told the wife I'd be home a little while ago already, and it's already almost 2 o'clock. Bump! Ow! Ooh, there's a bump right there too. Holy shit, that hurt. Well, I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. It's been a good one today. A little short ride, not a whole lot to it. Be much longer rides coming up in the future. This leads back to my house. That's the historic district over there. Like all these houses here have been here. Some of them have been here since the late 1800s, early 1900s. There's like one or two that I know for a fact that have been here since 1898, 1899-ish. And I'll show you. There's actually a street. I think it's that one right there. Let's see. Not that one, that's like an early 1900s one. That one's old, that one I think it said 1910. That one was built in 1899, that big one right there, and so was this one. That one was built in 1899 as well. But yeah, so we'll be home soon. It's been good having you guys out on the ride with me. Make sure you smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more content of me out on my motor scooter. He's out on his motor scooter. Alright, well, appreciate it. Thanks for coming along, and I'll catch you guys next time. Y'all have a good one.